Hi everyone, I'm Mohamed Youssef. This is my second part. In this part, I'm going to talk about the differences between the models, the geocentric model, the heliocentric model, and my model, the geocentric chart. Also, I'm going to show you the adjustment I made it in my model. So let's begin. This is the first geocentric model created by Ptolemy. He created because he wanted to explain how the geocentric theory works. So he created this model, he put the Earth in the center and all the planets orbiting or revolving around the Earth. Also, he believed that the Earth is the center of the universe and all the stars orbiting and revolving around the Earth. After that came Nicholas Copernicus with a new theory. He called it the heliocentric theory and he created a new model for it. What he did in his model, he changed the location of the sun. He took the sun and put it instead of the earth in the center, and he took the earth and the moon and put it instead of the sun on this orbit. This is how it looks. The sun in the center and the earth and the moon in this orbit. So all the planets are orbiting around the sun. This is the heliocentric model. And also he figured out how the retrograde motion work, and it is the reason why he changed the location of the earth and put it here. I'm going to put a link below explaining how the retrograde motion worked by Nicholas Copernicus. Also, I'm going to make a new video about the retrograde motion and how it works in my way, in easy and simple way, so anyone can understand how it works. For now, let's go and talk about my model, the geocentric chart, and what adjustment I've done it on my model. So this is my geocentric chart model, and this is the oldest one, the geocentric model created by Ptolemy. So what is different in my model? As you see, the Earth has orbit. In the oldest one, the geocentric, the Earth in the center and it don't have orbit at all, and all the planets orbiting around the Earth. In my model, the Earth have orbit. So it takes the Earth 1 year to complete one round in this orbit. Also, you have to know the Earth orbit is separated from the Moon orbit. So the Earth moves in its orbit and the Moon moves separately from the orbit of the Earth. This is the adjustment I made it. Also, if you see, this is, we call it chart. Chart, we use it to locate the movement of the planet. So as you see here, the moon now in this Gemini, the zodiac signs of Gemini, okay? The sun in Cancer. The oldest one, as you see here, it don't have a chart, so you don't know the location of the moon when it's moving, or Jupiter, or Mars, or anything. So this is the chart we're using to locate the movement of the planets. Also, I'm going to talk about it in my next video, third part. I'm going to explain how it works exactly. Also, the adjustment I made in my model is the shape of the orbits. It's elliptical shape, okay? If you see the oldest one, the geocentric, all the orbits of the planets are perfectly round shape, circle shape. The geocentric model and the heliocentric model, the same thing. The orbits are perfectly round shape, a circle shape. In my model, I'm going to show you. In my model, the orbits are elliptical shape. Kepler came after Nicholas Copernicus and he discovered that the orbits has elliptical shape. In his model, he put the sun in the center and all the planets orbiting around it. So it seems like the heliocentric model. And what is different in my model? As you see, the orbits of the Earth has elliptical shape, oval shape. The moon has elliptical shape. Mercury or Venus has elliptical shape. The sun has elliptical shape. Mars, Saturn, and so on, all of them has elliptical shape. All the planets has elliptical shape in my model, and all of them orbiting around the Earth, not like Kepler model, the sun. This is the difference between my model and Kepler model. Let me give you an example. I'm going to give you an example how my model works. So I'm going to talk about the aphelion. Aphelion, as they taught us in the school, that means in July the Earth and the Sun, they are too far from each other. So in my model it looks like that. This is the orbit of the Earth and this is the orbit of the Sun. Both of them in the same zodiac signs of Cancer. This is what they call it, the aphelion. Now I'm going to show you the perihelion, how it looks in my model. The Earth, as you know, in this position, so the Earth is in here and the Sun is in here. So both of them, they are in January, they are too close with each other. So both of them, they are in the zodiac of Capricorn. This is what we call it, perihelion. This is how it looks in my model. This is only two examples I'm giving you so you could understand how my model works. Thank you for watching. See you in my next part 3, to talk about how the chart works. Bye for now.